Hi, this is Stephanie with St. Louis Concierge P.T. and Wellness. Today I'm going to show you a stretch for your lumbar paraspinals or your extensors right back here, which is tight on a lot of people, especially if they stand a lot during the day. It also stretches your glute muscles and your lats, which usually, and most people, connect down into the lumbar paraspinals and kind of arch your back and cause some pain. So this is great to do after a long day on your feet. It can also be done on hands and knees kneeling. Some people find this a little bit more comfortable, especially if they've got any knee symptoms. So for purposes of today, I'm going to use the side of my sofa here, but you'll step back about 2 feet away. You'll sink your hips back all the way down as far as you can and just stretch and kind of hang here. So no bouncing, that does not work. So you want to hold that static stretch for about 30 seconds, 60 is better. And you should feel that all the way back throughout your lumbar spine, into your glutes, and maybe even some in the top of your hamstrings there. Another option to modify that and to get a little bit more of a lat stretch on either side is to sink down, and you can kind of walk your hands over to one side, and that will really stretch that lat on the opposite side there. So again, 30-second hold, 60 is better. So you can go to either side with that. Thank you so much.